everybody, this is Adriana Ruiz Flores, and today live we are going to talk about going live on Facebook. Yes, we are going to go and talk about that. So let's wait for someone to jump in. We're going to talk about three tips for doing live on Facebook, and this is very important, guys, very important. So let's find out if someone is out there. Make sure that you comment where are you from, where are you tuning. If this is the first time that you see me, put a 1. If it's a 2, put a 2, and let me know where are you from. And there's a question up there: do you do lives on Facebook? Do you like to do them? Because that's very important. Do you like to do the live on Facebook or not? So, as I do, I have to recognize that. I get nervous. The camera stops or Facebook is frozen or whatever. Something happens before every single live. So, it gets me thinking all the time, why do I do this? Well, it's important. It's important to do Facebook Lives. It's important to connect with people. So let's start this live. Let's wait for someone to connect. Let's see if someone else is here. And let's share this, guys. If you are out there and you want to share it, please share it, okay? So, if you're watching this live, hashtag live. If you're watching this as a replay, please put hashtag replay. So first things first. Let's talk about Facebook profile and Facebook page, okay? For talking about lives on Facebook, it's really important that you have this information, guys. Pay attention. Facebook profile, Facebook consider the people that uses a profile as consumers. Important. This is very important. Facebook profile is for consumers. If you are actually doing a live from a Facebook page, Facebook consider you as a creator. So for Facebook, only 2 things are important: if you are a consumer or if you are a creator. So this is very important, guys, because if you are in the online marketing, if you are a network marketer, you want to connect with the people as a creator. So Facebook tracks actually people that do lives on the page, business page. That doesn't mean that you don't have to do it, or you don't do it from a business page, you know. I'm sorry, for a profile, okay? That doesn't mean that you cannot do them from your Facebook profile. It's good because you are actually engaging with people, and that's beautiful because that's what we do. We love to connect, and that's what we do. But if you do it from a Facebook page, then Facebook is going to consider you as a creator. So please comment below, where are you from? What are you doing? Do you like to do lives on Facebook? How do you feel doing lives on Facebook? And where do you do them from? From your Facebook page or from your Facebook profile? Because, as I repeat, 2 things important for Facebook. If you are from a profile, you are a consumer. If you are doing from a page, you are a creator. That's very important. So let's get into the topic of 3 tips, 3 things that Facebook considers for doing a live. So the first thing is video content. Okay, what is the video content? Well, loyalty and intent. What is your intent? What are you trying to give? What are you trying to say? If it's a video live, actually, like now, it's very important for Facebook, okay? If you are sharing something from someone, it's not that value for Facebook, so it's not going to be ranking correctly, okay? So be aware of that. It's important for you to know that, because, you know, when there's a lot of people sharing stuff from other people, that's not going to rank for Facebook. It's important right now. Actually, there's an app that it's Watch, okay? Right now, Facebook is competing with YouTube, and it's competing with Instagram in so many ways. So it's important that you know that if you are doing the Facebook Live, it's better than sharing content from, for example, YouTube, a video, or right now, you see the videos, for example, the videos for a funny baby, laughing and doing, I don't know, some silly stuff. There's viral. A lot of people watch it. Well, but it's only for 5 seconds and it's not important. So Facebook is not going to rank it as value. So the intention, the loyalty and the intention of your Facebook Live is what it counts, okay? So be aware of that. And the loyalty, if you are talking about yourself, if you are talking about your product or your service, that's important. That's really important. So that's number one, video content, loyalty and intention, okay? Number two, duration. One thing is, if you are doing it for 3 seconds, people will not stay in your life, okay? You have to stay from 3 to 5 minutes and 20 minutes. That's the correct measure, the correct time for doing this. Let me share this with people around the internet. So let's find out if someone else is out there, and just share it like a message, private message. And if you are out there, please share it as well, and be sure. Hello, my beautiful queen, thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Please share this so everybody knows this is important. Our Marathon New York, yes, I'm sure it's beautiful weather right now. A little bit hot, right? It's a little bit hot. Okay, so well, we are talking about live, Facebook Live, okay? We are talking about three important things that you should know. But first of all, it's 10:12. Yeah, here is 9:12. We are 1 hour. You are 1 hour ahead, honey. Thank you, Melissa, for connecting. Thank you so much. So let me tell you something. I was saying that doing a live on Facebook depends on, number one, hi Tatiana, thank you for joining, beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm talking about live, Facebook Live. First, if you are doing it from a profile, you are a consumer. If you're doing it from a Facebook page, you are a creator. So those are very important things. So the three main tips that I want to give you to you right now for video ranking on Facebook is, number one, content, loyalty, and intention. What are your intentions? So if you're doing a live, be sure to make it with value, talking about your business, talking about your services. Be positive, be happy, and share to the world. But if you are sharing something that, for example, you like a baby, laughing and doing some crazy stuff and all that stuff, well, yeah, it's viral, but for Facebook it's not that important. It's like, oh, okay, so it's not going to be ranking very good, so don't do that, okay? Another thing that it's working right now for Facebook is the watch. This app is right now competing with YouTube and competing with other platforms of video. So here in Facebook, if you are giving value, you can share your videos on this watch app. And I will show you in another video how to do that. I will share my screen and I will show it to you. And that's another way to promoting yourself and actually to ranking better in Facebook. So that's tip number one, content and loyalty and intention, okay? Tip number two, video duration, okay? How much should your video live must be, okay? So if you're doing a live and you just get 2 or 3 minutes, it's not going to be ranking very good for Facebook, okay? It's proved that you have to be alive for 5 minutes, something like that, 4 or 5 minutes. It's the best until 20 minutes. That's the best ranking for Facebook Lives, okay? You can get longer, but not all the people is going to actually stay on your live, and that's another thing. One thing is the measure of your live, which is 2 to 5 minutes or 20 minutes, okay? And the other thing is how many people actually stays during the whole live. Because there's people that it's watching over there and it's not on live, right? That's Draco. He always loves to get into lives, right? So one thing is doing the live, okay, watching the live and staying during the whole live. That's very different, right? There's people that comes and goes, and actually the replays actually counts. When you are in a replay and you stay for the whole video, that's ranking also for Facebook. So that's tip number 2. Video duration and the people watching. So you have to make it interesting for people to stay. Draco, he loves to be live with me. Okay, and number 3, originality. Okay, number 3, give value to people. Share to the world your message. Share to the world what beautiful is living. Give value to people. Be original. Okay, show to the world what it's important. Show to the world your message. Okay, don't share negativity. Don't say bad words during a live. Try to connect with people. Have an intention while you're talking about. I mean, don't go from one thing to another. Be focused in the content. Be original. So if you want to, for example, talk about video ranking, stay with video ranking. Don't go, from others. If you're talking about motivation and spirituality, go on and keep on talking about spirituality. You can talk about something else, but try to focus and try to give your message as clear as possible, Try to share to the world your message, and that's going to be ranking for you. So, repeating. 2 very important things for video lives. If you're doing it from a profile, you're always going to be a consumer for Facebook. If you are doing your live from a page, business page, you're going to be considered a creator. That's very important. And creator get more ranking. And that's something that you should know, okay? Hello, Alex. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. We're talking about live video on Facebook, and I'm giving you some tips about that. So, profile, you're a consumer. Facebook page, you are a creator. That's important to know, okay? That doesn't mean that you cannot do from your profile the lives. Yes. And that's one of my recommendation is start with your profile. Start building your profile. Start engaging with people, connecting with people, increasing your Facebook friends, connecting and building relation with people by messenger, and build your authority from your profile first. For then connecting with your page will be easier for you. Okay, that's very, very important. So once you have people following you on a profile, like as a consumer for Facebook, then you can switch and go to the Facebook page, and people is going to go automatically to your Facebook page, and you're going to start building authority from the page, which is harder. Okay, it's very hard for people watching you from your page, but for Facebook you are then a creator. So you are producing for Facebook, and that's important for Facebook. So your videos are going to be ranking better. And actually, as you are ranking better, Facebook can track the people that actually is watching your video. So that's very important, okay? So the 3 tips, the 3 things that make your video go ranking high for Facebook are, number 1, content. Okay, de nada. You're welcome, honey. It's video content, which is loyalty, intention, okay? Doing the live actually yourself, okay? Not sharing videos from YouTube or whatever video from other people. That's not ranking very good, okay? If it's a premiere, if you are posting your video on a watch app that it's actually a platform that is functioning right now as a competition as YouTube, because Facebook wants to give more value to ranking videos with value. So that's important, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, video duration, okay? And how long is your video? From 4 to 5 minutes minimum, 20 minutes, good. Okay, that's the ranking of the duration on Facebook Live. For Facebook, it's good. And very important, how many people stays in your life from the beginning to the end. So people watching and leaving, that's not very important for Facebook. People staying from the beginning to the end in a live video and the replay. Okay, both of them are important. Yes, no, exactly. Do your own videos, Alex. That's very important. You can share some, from one a beautiful video for, motivational video for someone on YouTube, you can do that, but it's not going to be ranking for you. Okay, that's not good. It's not good for your business as it is for you to doing a live by yourself, off your own. That's very important, Alex. Thank you. Yes. And as I said, duration of the video 4 to 5 minutes and 20 minutes the top. Okay, and how long people stays, if it stays all the video, all the live, in the replay as well. Okay, that's actually ranking your video on a high level. Okay, and number 3 is originality. Okay, if you are giving value, if you are showing to the world your message, what message are you giving? So for giving value, stop negativity. Okay, people has a lot of negativity out there in the whole world. There's a lot of negativity, so don't do that. Stop doing that. Bad words, don't use bad words. Okay, try to focus on the things, be polite. Share the message with good words, with positivity, always, since the beginning till the end. I mean, people don't like to see like, okay, I'm going to talk about this. I mean, no, you are happy, you are showing that you are a person with values, you are a person that actually loves what is doing. So it doesn't matter what are you selling, or product or the services, how do you feel doing that? And that's what you are transmitting to the universe. Okay, so this is the originality. Okay, and actually stay focused. If you're talking about video ranking, stay talking about video ranking. Okay, don't go and talk about other things, or like losing the track. Yes, of course you can mention some other stuff, but stay in the main idea of your live, which is very important for people, and for Facebook as well. It's going to be ranking better for you as a creator if you're doing it from your Facebook page, or as a consumer if you're doing it from your profile. For Facebook, it's going to be much better when you do that. Okay, so this is the live for today. If you like it, please comment below your opinion about this. If you want to connect with me and have any more questions about this topic or other topics, please send me a private message. Remember something, connect in the top of your page here in your nose over there. If you click it, you will see 3 dots at the top. Okay, push those 3 buttons and turn on the notifications for my Facebook lives. As you know, I'm doing them consistently, Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. That's another thing that I didn't mention, and it's very important. When I say about video content and video duration and originality, I forgot to tell you that it's important for you to specify a schedule for your lives, because you want to be sure that people actually knows that you are going live. I mean, if you pop just like that, somewhere, someday, any day, it's not going to be good for you. And Facebook actually takes notice that you are actually repeating the timing and the duration of your videos every single week, or every day, or one day and the other no, and that's it. And so you are making like a routine, and Facebook is actually noticing. So hope you find value in this. If you find value, #value. Okay, share it to the world. And thank you so much for connecting. I appreciate that you are here, and God bless you. Take care. Bye.